Hello students, and welcome to this video. In today's lesson I will be talking to you about tricky noun plurals. This is the part 3 of this topic. Alright, the first two parts were about nouns ending with Y. The second was nouns ending with F or EF. And this third part is about nouns ending with an O. How to make them into the plural form. The first example I have here on the board is she has many tattoos on her back. Before I begin, I want to explain to you that when the letter preceding the O, or in this case, tattoo, the last O is a vowel. The letter preceding the O is another O, so it is a vowel. You will always use an S to make it plural. Alright? And when the letter preceding the O is a consonant, you can either use an S or an ES. You will have to study the noun plurals. And remember to use a dictionary whenever necessary. Alright, so let's begin. She has many tattoos on her back. We have an O and we have another O. So the letter preceding is a vowel. We use an S, as I explained to you earlier. And the next one is, I saw 3 baby kangaroos. As you see here, the letter preceding the last O of the singular form of the noun, kangaroo would be the singular form, is an O, so it is a vowel. We will only add an S to it. Alright, to make this a little bit more clear, I will write to you the singular form. Kangaroo would be the singular form. So we have double O. The last O is preceded by another O, and it is a vowel. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. When one of these letters precede the O or are before the O in your noun, you will add only an S to make it plural. If they are consonants or any of the rest of the letters in the alphabet that are not vowels, you will add either an S or an ES. Use a dictionary. Alright, the next one says, we would be heroes today. We could be heroes today. So, as you see here, hero, the base form or the singular form would be like this, hero. I added an ES in this case, and as you notice, the letter preceding the O in the singular form is a consonant. Heroes. Alright? And the last one is, do you like tomatoes? Tomatoes. Tomato would be the singular form. So we just added ES, and as you notice here, the letter preceding the O is a consonant again. Again, sometimes you will use only an S even if the letter preceding the O is a consonant. Alright, next I will have more examples for you to practice on, and keep watching. I hope this video is of help. Now you are going to help me change these nouns into their plural form. Alright, before we begin, let me explain to you that music-related nouns always end with an S when changing them into their plural form. You don't need an ES, you don't need an apostrophe S, just a simple S. All right, the first one is piano, piano. So we would make it plural just by adding an S. Tornado, tornado, we have two options. We can say tornadoes or we can say tornadoes. But the most common way to pluralize this noun would be by simply adding an S. Kimono, kimonos. Casino, casinos. Banjo, banjos. Logo, logos. Potato, potatoes. Cello, cellos. As you can see, piano is a music-related word or noun, so we just added an S. Tornado is, the O is preceded by a consonant, so you can use an S or an ES. Kimonos is also preceded by a consonant, so you can use S or ES. In this case, you have to use S. Casino is also, the O is also preceded by a consonant, but you have to use an S. Banjo, music related noun, so you have to add an S. Logo, we have a consonant, but in this word we must use an S to pluralize it. Potatoes, we use a consonant preceding the O, but you must use ES to make it plural, just like in tomato, tomatoes. Cello, you just add an S, even though you have a consonant preceding the O. Remember, you have to use a dictionary because there is no specific rule for the O ending nouns to make them plural when the O is preceded by a consonant. But we know that when it's preceded by a vowel, you always use a simple S. All right, next I will leave you some homework because you need the practice to get perfect and to ample your vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Homework. You are going to write 4 sentences using the plural form of nouns ending in O. Remember to use a dictionary because when a vowel precedes the O, you are supposed to use a simple S to make it plural. And if a consonant precedes the O in the noun you are going to make plural, you either use an S or an ES to make it plural. So it's kind of confusing, but if you learn them by heart, you will master this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was of help, and we'll see you in my next video. Oh, and before I leave, leave your homework in the comment section below this video. And if you don't, if you have a workbook, do it in your workbook. Thank you again. See you later.